Hi guys, today we playing airplane. So now let's play Ricky Wiki, Eggs and Bakey. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today is the big day. Let me remind you, we are trying to fly to the Bahamas. Okay. Go find Dad. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the package before. You have to mute that. Yeah, you have to mute that. Yo. I want to go to the trip. Let me remember where my clothes are. What are we gonna do today? We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Then we start packing. Hey, yup. Okay. So Dad's right here. Okay. Okay, those guys are having a fun time, I guess. Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go. Okay, got this already. Simple. Okay, done. I gotta chill like for 27 minutes. No, seconds. Where's the girl been? What? Where is she? She left, I guess. Let's see if she's here. Oh, yeah. Okay, I think it's for the women's room because it looks pretty girly. This one? Maybe it's boys, maybe. What? Dude, what? Wait. Don't me get a spanking. Oh! No! What? Dude, that's so stupid. Why didn't you just let me... Okay, this game's BS. Dude, it's probably bugged. Okay, thank you. This is a pretty small server, dude. 3 people, and then like, dude, we're just in the beginning and 2 people left. Wow. At least we're not lame like them. We're gonna be here and complete the game. Dude, I hate how you can't even heal from this game. You just have to be stuck with this health bar. And I can't even heal. And I have to... Dude, I'm probably just gonna die from the game. But we're gonna try, I guess. There's Pilot Noob. See what I do. I'm so hungry. Alright. Whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic table. Okay. Okay, let's say I will revive you. Okay, I'm just gonna say that so they don't leave. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna chill and we're gonna have a break session. Okay, it's done. Okay, guys. Look at the time. Yeah, frick. We're running late to our flight. There's no way we make it in time. Unless, follow me. Yeah, I have a bad feeling about this. The garage. Wait for it. I present to you your very own small plane. We get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's funny. It's also a lot more fun than walking, true, but I don't want to die. Okay, get airplane. Buckle up, guys. We're gonna play. I'll see you guys in the other side. Wait, we don't even know how to fly these. We'll have to find out, or just be careful with the obstacles. Careful, I guess. Ooh. Oh, frick. Okay, let's go. Perfect. Everyone is here now. I forgot to tell you. Flying over that shortcut is illegal. Hopefully nobody saw you. Our airport's just around the kill. Let's just go. Okay, watch before crossing. I'm not trusting that car. Okay, gonna lose a casualty. Now, you just chill. Follow Dad. Attention, everyone. Flight 7615 is leaving in 5 minutes. That is our flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes us off without us. What? Dude, don't tell me it glitched again. No! This game's bugged. I guess I'll accept my death. Dude. Oh. Ooh, that hurts. No more waiting, let's go. What about me? That's our plane. Hello? Dude, I'm stuck or what? Don't worry, you're just in time. All you need to go through is the metal detector, and you are good to go. All right. think I will still. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Wow, that sounds. Oh. Okay, dirty lad. Okay, you are going to come with us. Is there a problem, officer? Officers, all of you are caught flying in a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Until all the paperwork, till we get the paperwork ready. Oh, you're cooked. Yeah, I can revive. Okay. See you in the afterlife. Oh, what is going on? Look at the cops. Let's ask them for help. Dude, you're not getting help from them. I don't think those cops are friendly. What does it look like? Okay. Ooh. Looks like there's vents to try and see if we can get up and find something. Make it. Oh, let's go. I don't have to revive him, but maybe later if we die. Oh, frick. Dude, I'm barely alive. Wait, where's Dad? Ooh. Okay, he's possessed. You need to keep going. Oh no. The skeleton's curse is affecting Dad. We have to do something. But first, let's get out of this place before more monsters come. But is he going to just get infected? Well, basically, Sherlock Holmes. Okay, got a badge. Okay, so I remember this guy, General Poncho. Looks like I'm late to the party. What? Who even are you? I'm Poncho, ex-general of Roblox State's army. I've heard you from the news. Were you not supposed to be dead? I've been trying to stop this strange creature for years. Since the world depended on it, I had to fake my death. We are the only ones left. We had to find and destroy the skeleton before. Oh, we need to do this for our dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. Okay, done. Go that way. Okay, Poncho, get over here. Okay. Okay. Hello, General. Remember me? No way. Okay, I guess we're supposed to be dead. But we are here. When my dark side attacked the president plane, we got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. Oh, okay. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You're not going to be a part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There's no way my team's going with you. Okay, do you follow General? General Poncho, of course. Ronald? Dude, Ronald's evil. Got to pick this dude. We're gonna get the bad ending. We choose to go with General Poncho. Stay out of our way, Ronald. We are saving the world. This is the place where all the evil energy comes from. This is what's that noise? Oh, okay. Oh no, they found us. Okay, this is from that direction. Here. Okay, airplane. Oh, okay. What is this place? It looks like an evil altar. Someone must have summoned Skeletox. Glowing plane looks like an offering. Ah. Why would it look like that? Okay, look up there. You are right, General Ronald. He fell for it. Dude, why don't the Skeletox and Ronald just work together? Oh my, Pilot Kelly. Oh, remember that girl from Airplane 2? I thought she was dead. Yeah, maybe. Jack? Who's this guy? That guy. Yeah, that guy. It's probably from another series from that dude. It's too late. Oh, frick. If Harvest Souls enough scared souls to have my full power. Why do you think that I go after planes? It's the easiest way to get souls together, scared for their lives. I just need Ronald because I didn't have enough power to do it myself. But now I do. Get ready to be Harvest 2. Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Oh! Okay. Okay. Let's go. Yo, watch out. This dude's almost dead. Okay, attack now. Okay, this dude's almost... This dude's on his last breath. Bro's like 0.1 HP. Okay, that's the definition of 1 HP. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna buy it. What? Didn't let me revive you. Okay, I guess. Okay, we defeated this dude. Okay, he died. Okay. Ooh, frick. No, don't. No, no. Okay. Save the world, I guess. Okay. I was trying to help that dude, but dang. Who's over there? What's up, family? Did you miss me? Wait. No way. Hey, Doug, I miss you. I did miss you. Wait. Kelly is our mom. Okay, that's lore. That is right. And the family's complete again. But why? No, but why she tell us we were her mom? But the general's gone. Hey, we can be sure wherever he goes, he will be saving the world. Okay, airplane for one last flight. Okay, bye guys. That's it for today. For airplane, and that's the final series.